in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got hips, some of us don't. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in the media, bro. Wanna put pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna put pretty like my
guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from Unice Hair. Now, I don't know the exact name of this unit, but of course, I'll make sure to have a direct link to her in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. What I do know is that this is one of their newer units, and it's called a Unice Air Wig. Now, I'm pretty sure you're thinking, what's the difference between a regular wig and an air wig? With a regular wig, you tend to have that cap that's in the back, you know, like the mesh or the stocking cap that's in the back of the unit. Well, with an air wig, you have no cap. With an air wig, the wefts are attached to strips that are in the back of the unit, allowing you to be able to push your fingers through the unit, which makes the unit more breathable. Another spec about the air wig is that it does come with pre-cut lace, so if you are someone who gets like really nervous when it comes to cutting the lace off of your units, you don't have to worry about it with this one. The purpose of this unit is for it to be a quick and easy, wear and go, truly beginner type of unit. The cap construction of this unit does have 3 combs in total, one in the back, the other 2 are at the front. Instead of adjustable straps, it does have a silicone band that's in the back that's supposed to help grip onto the nape of your neck to keep the unit in place, because this unit can be worn as a glueless unit. It does have a security band in there as well that you can adjust and or remove if you choose to do so. If I'm thinking correctly, this is a 4x4 body wave lace closure unit in 24 inches, but again, I'll have all of the information down below. Enough of me talking though, I'm gonna go ahead and install this unit and then I'll come back with my final thoughts.
I get real accountable when I'm alone. I get real about it all when I'm alone. It's so crazy missing you when I get on. Now Julio made me fulfill. And I might hit your phone up with that ba-ba-ba. Listen like da-da-da. Listen like ah. All of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. All these
I just want to stop this video really quick and just let you guys know that this hair is extremely soft and it feels really full. I want to say it's 150% density, but I could be wrong, but yes ma'am. Also, I am planning on cutting some layers into this unit, so before I get to cutting away, I wanted to show you guys what this hair looked like after I shampooed and conditioned it, and then of course let it air dry overnight. It is 24 inches. I'm pretty sure I stated that earlier in the video, and with all of the hair pushed to the front, it stops like right here, right below my waist, and with it all pushed to the back, I want to say it stops, yeah, right before my my butt.
I was just waiting for you. I see a way to you. Thinking I'll wait for you. You have been down, Julio, make me fulfill. And I might hit your phone up. Ba-ba-ba-ba. Listen like da-da-da. Listen like ah-ah-ah. All of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. All these kisses ain't toxic.
me a good closure moment, but this one I might just be in love with her. As you saw, this unit was extremely easy to install. There was no lace to cut off, so I just basically threw her on. I chose to use adhesive spray because once I put her on, I was just like, yeah, you're staying on all day. I really like the silicone strip that's at the back of the unit because, like I stated earlier, it's there to help grip onto your skin. That way the unit doesn't move or anything like that. But for me, I just really like it because it's comfortable. Versus adjustable straps, they usually kind of like rub up against the back of my neck. This one isn't doing so. It's just kind of like laying flat and it's really nice and comfortable. Another thing I really like about this unit, which kind of threw me off for a split second, even though I know about it, but it still threw me off because I guess I wasn't really paying attention to it, is the fact that I can scratch my scalp with this unit on. Earlier I had an itch, and when I went to scratch it with the end of my rat tail comb, I went in pretty aggressively because naturally I was thinking that the cap was there, and no, I almost stabbed myself because I went in, like I said, pretty aggressively. But then I was like, oh wait, that's my actual scalp. I don't know, I liked it. The most tedious thing when it came to this unit was me just basically cutting the layers and then curling the unit. Had I not done that and instead decided to just wear it in its natural body wave state or straighten the unit, I probably would have been done in all of, what, 15 minutes. I'm not mad about the time it took though, because I do feel like the layers and the curls really elevated the unit even more. Earlier I showed you all what the unit looked like completely glueless, and I do feel like that the lace was like blending in pretty well, but I feel like using adhesive spray just like does it up even more. Like if you are, I want to say, a couple of feet away, maybe 1 to 2 feet away, you would not be able to tell. I'm looking in my mirror and the distance between me and my mirror, I want to say, is probably like 1.5 feet, and I can barely tell that I have lace on. Now of course, if you were right up on me, you would definitely be able to see the lace because lace is fabric and naturally you're going to be able to see it. But again, I still feel like it's blending and melted very nicely. I didn't mention this earlier, but I did bleach the knots and also pluck this unit off camera. I also plucked it a little bit on camera as well, just because I felt like it needed a little bit more attention. But I feel like the bleach took the knots, or the knots took the bleach really well. But if you are someone who doesn't really care about knots or anything like that, I wouldn't even worry about bleaching the knots. I decided to go in and bleach the knots because to me they were a little bit on the bigger side. But again, if that's not your thing, bleaching up the knots, don't even worry about it. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about Unice's air wig. I mean, again, seeing as how the lace is already pre-cut for you, you can wear her glueless if you choose to do so. I would recommend tinting the lace. Like, that is something I would recommend doing. But other than that, you can just pull her out the box and throw her on and she's good to go. So I would say this unit is screaming beginner friendly. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell. That way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Dotson. I'll be sure to have all of the information for this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.